Hi. So in today's class, I used National Health Interview Survey data about smoking and high cholesterol. So let me first show you how you can download it. Actually, it is public data, and this is where you can download the data. I strongly recommend you to check this website in case if you are interested in some data research with real data. So iPumes is a platform, maybe managed by Michigan University, and it collects data from many sources and helps us to download easily. Like this is the data I'm using here, iPumes health surveys. So I'm not going to go details. Like you can just click here and just maybe you can search Google how to download it in case if you're interested in some kind of actual data analysis, right? This is how you download real data. And my data is here. This is what I downloaded from the website myself. And the first variable is ever prescribed for high cholesterol and ever smoked. And if you go down, you see the sample size is 7,888. Like because the first row is label. So more than 7,800 observations. That means you repeat the experiment 7,800 times. What we want to do is last time I showed you how to make a filter. If you make a filter and then you can see what is in this column, in this variable, there are only two possible answers, yes or no, right? And also here, ever smoked, you also have yes or no, right? So you can check the variables by just using the filter, clicking. Let me turn off my face. And like here, the filter, you can just click these two and you can check filter here. And then the next step, we are going to make probability distribution table using the data. We are going to use go to insert tab here and press pivot table. Click pivot table, and then the range. In case if you did not choose it, just click like this, and you can just click OK. This is the pivot table that I explained last week, and we are using both. Sorry. I move one to the columns. Then you enter. What is this? Each row is cholesterol. Like say, excuse me. Like rows. I will use this instead of no. I'm going to write it as never smoked. And yes is smoked before, right? And then I will click cholesterol here, and no means never diagnosed with a cholesterol problem and diagnosed with high cholesterol. So I changed the label to avoid confusion. Originally there was yes or no. And another thing that I can show you here is I will cancel blank. So blank doesn't mean anything. We don't need blank. So you can click the drag down menu and just check it off. Then automatically they are gone, right? Here also you can do that. And now you have to fill in the values. Just drag one of them into here, and then automatically it shows the counts, how many observations for each cell, right? And we learned how to change those counts into probability by changing value field settings. Change this value field settings and click this tab, right? Click the second tab, show value as percentage of grand total. Then this is the 2x2 joint distribution table, and these are marginal probabilities for each variable. Okay, but as I said, it is just unconditional probability, joint probability. I am going to change this to conditional probability. Go back to the value field setting again, and go to the second tab again. And then here, instead of percentage of grand total, I'm going to check percentage of column total. Then you are going to have, so let's think about this. So you get probability that sum to 100% for each column, right? That means 28.7% is the probability of never diagnosed with cholesterol problem among those who never smoked, right? So this is the condition for the first column, and this is another condition. So you get 71.3%. This is probability of high cholesterol among never smoked, and 80.11% is probability of conditional probability of high cholesterol among the smoked, right? In case if you want to change the control variable, like conditioning variable, right? So that means you are calculating row by row. Row by row, then how can you do that? Go to value field settings again and show the value as percentage of row total. Then it switches. The sum of each row is 100%. So this becomes on one condition, and this becomes another condition, right? So given cholesterol, whether the person smoked or the probability of smoking. So calculating conditional probability is pretty straightforward if you understand how to calculate just unconditional probability. It's pretty simple. You may try different things, but not directly related to what we are doing here. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.